restoration surgery is the fastest way to add hair to areas of concern, there are other treatment options that can help improve the health and density of your hair. One effective non-surgical treatment option is platelet-rich plasma, often referred to as PRP. Just like our skin changes as we age, our hair naturally changes too. Hair can thin, slow its growth, or lose density over time. Hair growth PRP is designed to stimulate your hair follicles using your body's own growth factors, supporting healthier, stronger hair and improved overall density. The procedure involves drawing a small amount of your blood, processing it to concentrate into platelets, and then applying the PRP to the areas where hair growth is desired. Each treatment typically takes about 60 minutes. At Bernstein Medical, we use large PRP kits, which naturally contain more growth factors and healing components, helping to maximize the benefits of the treatment. For best results, we recommend starting with 3 PRP sessions, each spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart, followed by a 4th session about 6 months from your first session. After that, results can typically be maintained with 1 PRP treatment every 6 months. PRP is a safe, minimally invasive procedure, and most patients notice gradual improvements over several months. It can also be used in combination with other hair restoration treatments to enhance overall results and support long-term hair health. If you're considering PRP, we'll review your goals, explain the process, and answer any questions so you feel comfortable and confident before starting the treatment. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.